Hi folks, this is question 4. It's a stem and leaf plot back to back. We take the business ones, we're just going to put all the numbers in. There's nothing beginning with 3 for business. Beginning with 4, there is nothing either. Beginning with 5, 52, 53, and 59 is there twice. There's 54 as well. And then all the stuff then at the 60s, there's nothing with 70s. Remember, it's just the second digit always goes in these. It's the leaf part. The smallest one of the 60s is 64. You just have to take your time because you'll make mistakes if you don't. 65, 66, 267s, 68, and 69. That's it for art then. Well, there's 37. So you're going the opposite way out, really, with when it's on the left. 30, there's 34 as well. 34 and 37. Then for 40s, there's 46, there's two 47s, and there's 49. The 50s, there's 50, 50. Then there's 51 and 52 and 54. And there's 62 and there's 71. That's it filled in. Based on the shape, write a sentence to compare the student results in art and business. You should refer to how well students did on average and to how spread out the marks are. You have to refer to all that. I would say well, obviously you can see the art ones are more spread out, so students have more varying level of ability in art, or the levels of ability in art are more varying, whereas in business people generally kind of do the same. So you'd have to say something like that. And maybe in general, people did better in business because nobody got below 50 in business. Yeah, actually, the students did way better really in business. It was just only 2 students got above 50 in art. Okay, one got 71, which is a little bit of an outlier. So you just have to write a bit about that. I won't write it all out here. Okay, but that's generally what it is. Work at the range of the marks for business. Range is biggest minus smallest. That's 69, take away 52. And that would be 17. Michael is one of the 12 students. He sits the business test again and gets a higher mark than the first time he took the test. When the teacher uses Michael's new mark and works out the range of the marks, the range does not change. Explain how this could happen. Well, the range is only if it's only the highest mark and the lowest mark that affects the range. So he obviously didn't get the highest mark or he didn't get the lowest mark. He got something in the middle and he only jumped by something. So he did not get highest or lowest. A 13th student, Ajani, was absent for the two tests on Monday. He sits the tests the following day. When his mark is included, the mean mark in art increases from 50 to 51. Work out Ajani's mark in art. Right, I'm going to add up all of the other ones. Mean is where you add up and divide. Therefore, I'm going to add up all of the other ones for arts. And when you do all that, that gives you 600. That's what all of them for art add up to. But this other student now, Ajani, we'll just call him, what he got then was X. So if you put that all that over, so originally there was 12 students. Originally there were 12 students, but Ajani added gave gives 13 students. I'm writing it in the wrong place actually. So 600 plus X over 13. Well, that then has to be equal to 51. So I'm going to bring across the 13 and multiply it. 600 plus X is equal to 15 times 31. That's 465. And then, sorry, that's 663 actually. And if you bring across the 600 and subtract it, it's 63. Therefore, Ajani's mark is the 63.